Hey, it's Maria, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a wig. I got it from Amazon. It's 28 inches. Yeah, it's long. And it's body wave. I'm gonna put a screenshot of it right there. So if y'all want it, make sure y'all can go get it. I never professionally installed a wig. That's why I keep headbands on, because I just put the wig on. I don't even glue it on. I put the wig on and then put a headband on. But before I get into that, I'm going to be explaining the giveaway. I don't know where I was about to do that, because actually a giveaway. Even though y'all didn't get me to 3K, but it's okay, because some of y'all have been supporting me. And 95% of y'all that watch my video are not subscribed. So if all 95% of y'all will watch all the way through and subscribe and like, then maybe we could get to 3K before New Year's. Maybe. Can you do that for me, please? Anyway, the giveaway. I guess I'm going to buy stuff off y'all Shein card or give y'all e-gift card. I don't know. I will pick. Hey Siri. Pick a random number 1 through 5.
A random number between 1 and 5 is 5.
Okay, so I guess I'm picking 5 of y'all to do a giveaway. So to enter, make sure you I'm gonna put the rules right here. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment on this video. You could comment anything. It could be emoji, what you liked about the video, anything. And make sure you're following my Instagram. Yep. So now let's get into this. Let's get into this wigiana, because I'm tired of wearing this wig. It's starting to thin at the bottom. So this wig is gonna go in the trash. Maybe. Probably. I don't know. And my granny doesn't want it. So it's freshly out the package. Let's see what it's talking about. Okay. Definitely gonna have to bleach it because it's giving pasty. But you know that it's, you know, plucked, I guess. So I'm gonna try it on. Y'all don't laugh at me. Oh, it's soft. This hair is definitely human hair. It's definitely human hair. No shedding. It's not shedding at all. It's soft, y'all. I wish I could feel it. Like, it feels like butter. Like, it is soft. Like, I'm not even over exaggerating. And a lot of y'all be hating on Amazon wigs. This moves. It moves. It moves. Are you seeing this? Bouncy. Yeah. Go get you one of these. And it was only $89. 28 inches. You see this? And it moves. It moves. And it's soft. No shedding. It's in here pulling it. No shedding. None. None. Yeah, no shedding. It is so soft. Of course, I'm gonna try to bleach the knots. I don't know anything about bleaching no knots, but I bought the stuff from the beauty supply store. So if we mess it up, we mess it up together. This is what I got from the beauty supply store. First of all, let me tell you what it comes with. It comes with these little things. I'm not using that. I'm not gonna use that. It comes with 2 wig caps. A pack of 1 that comes with 2 wig caps. I'm not using these because I use the transparent ones. But that's good if you don't have it. And a melting band. And whatever this is. I don't know what this is. A melting band. Who do you know? Who do you know? I was about to break it. Ooh. They got this on here real good. Ooh. Who do you know? Yeah. Go get you one of these. Get you one of these wigs. 28 inches for the people that don't believe me. 28 inches. I had already took it out the bag because I don't want y'all to see my dress by accident. This is what I got from the Beauty Supply store. Wig spray, which I don't spray my wig caps with this because it doesn't last. I always glue my wig caps down with this. You're probably not supposed to, I don't care. It works good for me and my wig cap don't be lifting. I got a pack of this. I saw it on TikTok. TikTok University made me buy it. Then I got the HD wig caps, which I love these wig caps. Best wig caps. And it's $1.99 for 2. But you know, if you don't have a wig cap already, when you buy the wig, it comes with 2 wig caps. So you won't have to buy it. Then I got the little brush you're supposed to apply the bleach on the knots. I'm gonna use this trash bag right there. Then I got this. You're supposed to wash the wig with this purple shampoo. Shimmer lights. I don't know. I seen it on TikTok. And this. I think it's developer. I don't even have a bowl. I don't have a bowl. I need to put my wig cap on first. I'm eating these cookies. They're from Publix. Go get you one of these. Go get you some of these. And I like sprinkles, but they don't even taste like sprinkles. I start school on the 10th. So some school content's gonna be coming for me. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off. We're not gonna laugh at me. So I just oiled down my hair. Now I'm putting up my first bald cap on. Yes, I put 2 on. Yep. Get your HD wig cap. Then the second one. I push this one back a little so, you know. Then I'll pull this one down. Let me go ahead and open my brushes. Oh, they're already open. Okay. Well, that was easy. For the people that don't, oh, I look, oh boy, I look like a boy. I look funny. I definitely look bald, but it's okay. We're just gonna put the glue on. Yep. Then we're gonna brush it. This is how I always do it. Hello?
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna let this air dry. Normally I don't, but I need to find a bowl that I can use to mix this developer and powder together. Hopefully I don't mess up this wig. And this is what I use to oil my hair. Mixed with almond oil. The green meal mixed with almond oil. Works wonders. Okay, I got a plastic cup. They're so cute. We used them for my sister's birthday. Her little birthday party. with her friends. Okay, all the powder's at the top, so I'm gonna just open it from the bottom. They said it's supposed to be kind of like a thick consistency, so I'm assuming I don't need the whole bag. This stuff is strong. Let me get my cookies out of here. I don't want to taste chemicals. Let me eat them first though. Okay. I put about this much in here. Hopefully it's hopefully it's enough. I don't think it, yeah, that might be too runny. So let me add some more powder. I think I added too much. You spray your flyaways so it don't get on the baby hair. Oh my, so it don't get on the hair. I think I just added too much. Okay, I sprayed the flyaways. Okay, hopefully I don't mess this up. Y'all about to see. Put the bleach all over the wig. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, counting.
I'm gonna do 15 just to be safe. What should we do now? It's probably done drying. I'm gonna send a picture to my boyfriend. Combing this egghead. I hope he doesn't post that. After this video, I'm going to do a what I got for Christmas. So if y'all see me wearing the same thing, you know it's in the same day. So I look strong. I was thinking about doing this bleaching my hair, but then I was like, I just got it to start back growing. So should I do that? Probably not. Probably not. Okay, we're gonna just start cutting this, even though it's probably not dry. It's always hard to cut this little thing with these little scissors. There we go. There we go. It's me, Mario. And I don't know why people are like, well, it takes your baby hairs. I still got a lot of them. So I don't know if y'all can see because I did that pretty quick because I'm trying to hurry up because I don't want to. Ooh, it's not dry all the way. It's okay. He probably clowning me. He probably like, I look like somebody dead. I bet you he's gonna say that. What do you say? He said you in this wig cap. He always sees me with a wig cap on. Because if you can't be yourself around somebody you're talking to, you shouldn't be talking to them. Or maybe you should just figure something out with yourself. I don't know. Because I can always be me. And if I can't be me around that person, then it ain't meant to be. You should feel comfortable being yourself. He's probably so tired of me. He's gonna see me actually, you know, get cute because I'm gonna get my nails done. You know, that's gonna be in a prep with me for school. Y'all are sliding. Stay still. Stay still. Stop going somewhere. Okay. How many minutes do we have? We have 10 more minutes. What are we gonna do in the meantime? I don't know. I'm not gonna waste any more footage, so I'll be back at 10, which is 10 minutes for me, which is 1 second for y'all. I checked on it. It's starting to scare me. I think I added too much to the roots because the roots are starting to get brown. And I don't think the knots are, I don't think it's taking the knots. I don't know, there's still 7 minutes. It's scaring me though. Hopefully it takes, I think it is. I don't know. I just wanted to tell y'all that. Because if it gets worse, we will always remember this wig. I think this wig gonna be long. It's gonna be to my, I was gonna say something. It's gonna be to the top of my bottom. And I'm 5'2", so it's probably not 28 inches. I don't know, we need to try it on first. I probably should have tried it on before I put the bleach on it. Too late now. Never going back, never going back. Never going back, never going back. Do 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 do. It still move. It still move. Look at that bounce. Bounce, that bounce. That bounce. Okay, I'll be back again. There is 1 minute and 30 seconds, and I hope I did not my wig. I'm gonna beep that out because my mom's probably gonna watch this. But it still looks the same. I'm scared. My boyfriend's like a big kid. Not really, but like, I like how we are together. Like, he was happy. I bought him apple juice yesterday. He's like, yeah, I get to go home off work to my apple juice. The ones that get it, get it. The ones that don't. I'm scared. I'm going to wash it out. Even though the timer didn't go on. It's 11 seconds, yeah. Do I wash it in hot water or cold water? Oh my God, I'm gonna just do cold. No, I'm gonna do middle. I should have looked that up. Alright, timer's done. Let's wash this Joan out. I put a lot of that soap. I'm scared I just messed it up. But you know, they say if you mess it up, you put black dye on the roots. So if I did mess it up, at least I'm not the first one to mess it up. Just how it looks. Shut up, don't laugh. You know, it might not be that bad in some places. Ooh, and some places it's really bad. Hopefully my mom has black dye, cause Lord, God almighty. I had one job. Brush it. At least it's good hair. No shedding in the brush. This hair that's already on there. Clearly it's curly hair. Let me try it on to see if I need the bleach. No, but this wig is definitely big. I have a small head. So this wig is definitely big head friendly. I could finish it. Let go of my wig go. I'm gonna need to tighten it all the way as much as I could tighten it. Cause this wig is definitely good if you got a big head. Let's try it on and see how long it is. It's definitely long. I hate I had to wet it. Cause the bottom, the top is not giving what the bottom is giving. The bottom is giving. The knots is not. But I'm scared if I were to leave it on there any longer, I would have messed up it even more. So let me slick up my baby hair. My baby hairs. See, I still have a lot of baby hairs, even if some is already slicked up. I thought I did that already, but some of them didn't make the cut, I guess. Let's try it again. I'm scared. Okay. Let's try it again. I added more. This is definitely gonna make the roots brown, but I'm trying to get rid of the knots, so I want it to give scalpiana. So I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. No, 12. And then I'll see y'all in 1 minute, which is, I'm at 1 second, which is 12 minutes for me. Actually 11 minutes and 52 seconds. As I was waiting on the timer to go off, I made it too runny. That's why it bled through, I think. Because I was watching TikToks. Maybe a little bit longer. This girl left hers on there for 30 minutes. I don't know about that. Let me see how far my mama's sister is, because it shouldn't take this long for them to get here. They're in Target. Nobody asked me if I wanted anything or wanted to go to Target. I always ask them. Nobody cares about me. Just gonna throw me away like that? Like trash? I don't think so. Oh my god. Do your chains hang low? Does it wobble to the flow? Should I give it another 10 minutes? I'm scared for the hair to fall out. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. Just 5. 5 more minutes won't hurt. I'm glad I decided to do it twice. That's long too. What is that? 30?
It's a 30-inch.
Oh yeah, that is long. This 28. And I was like, this is really long. You did what?
I always pay a lot for my wig because I like quality wigs.
I can't do it. You want to do it?
I been doing it till I get back. Cause I'm packing and stuff, and I gotta go pick up my boyfriend.
Where he live at?
Huh?
Where he live at? Did I mess it up?
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
But you need, in order for you to lay the wig down, your lace needs to be dry. Your hair don't have to be dry, but your lace needs to be dry.
It can't air dry?
You can air dry it.
That's just gonna take a long time, isn't it?
It ain't gonna take that long. It probably gonna take about 30 minutes though.
Ooh. Better than nothing. So
That's what needs to come on so I can get that right.
that's somebody you doing? It took my card a long time to come. This wig is big.
Yeah, your head's little.
Yeah, I tightened it as much as I could tighten it. But I can't tighten it no more. This wig is long.
That's how I like my hair. On my ass.
I like mine a little mid back. I might just have to order another one if I mess it up for you to do it. See, the thing, I hate having a widow's peak, because then I have to pull my wig down further to cover it. Ain't you supposed to cut it in 3 sections? I guess. You hear me, Bree? I said, let me watch some TikToks. If I need help, I'll call you back.
Okay.
All right, bye. She going on vacation with her man, so that's probably why she not worried about me messing it up. Because I'm going to just have to order another one if I do. Which I'm really not trying to do that either. Let me just spray some other spray on it. Okay, let's I bet you got what took you so long to respond. Cause I was on the phone with Bree when he texted. Just hair is long and thick. It's not thin at the end, like that wig over there. But I had that wig for a long time. We're gonna let this dry for like 35 minutes. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all. And I'm gonna put my camera battery on the charger. This would eat if I wear it up in a bun. I don't know. I think it's the outfit. It's giving a bun. But I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna set a timer for 35 minutes. The timer went off. So, ooh. Okay. It actually doesn't look bad. Let me brush it back. And let's cut this lace. Yep. Cut the lace off. Cut it off.
Are you looking for this?
No.
Oh.
Okay. The time's up. Let's see. It doesn't look bad. It just needs some makeup. And some baby ears. It looks bad on camera. And if it looks bad on camera, then it's probably bad in person. Mommy,
Huh?
where's your makeup?
Here.
Ah, shut up.
You call her mean girl. Oh.
Who, Bella?
Mean boy. Bella be looking for left out food. Marty,
What?
remember that time I bought those Cobras? You ever wonder what happened to your burger?
Probably Bella ate it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it didn't go to waste.
You know, he said the bread and left the rest.
How did she get it?
You left it on the table.
Oh. She's like, this is nasty.
Me and mommy left. We came back. I saw the burger on the floor. And then like an hour later, I was on the bread on the couch. I was like, and it had little bites in there.
But I was like,
There's always somewhere to eat or something. Oh, her. What she got? Why would you get those?
What is that? What is it?
A combo.
Oh,
Who knows?
this wig is definitely smooth. Smooth wig.
Come on over here.
Hi everyone. How y'all doing? There must be a TikTok, you know. Did you do what I got for Christmas? I'm about to.
Oh, dog.
Yeah, I over bleached some of the parts. So.
Do a middle part or something.
But I just have to do this side.
So the exposure's a little high.
No, it's not. Whenever it transfers to my phone.
Go darker. And that was my appearance for the video.
Tell them where you're going. Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm going.
How many that shit? I'm going upstairs. Upstairs.
Everyone's walk around. I'll let him watch it. Unless you don't want me to. Hey! Watch your dick. I'm going to need to have my controller. Excuse me, Bella.
Baya. This hair is long. It says it's 28 inches.
Look at it.
It's really long. I'm trying to put some baby hairs to cover up this messed up hairline. Hold on, watch out. Alright. Can you do me some baby hairs?
How? You don't even have a brush.
You do.
I'm not going back upstairs just for that. I'm coming back down
I
there.
told you before you went down. I meant before you came down.
Hold on, it's gonna take a second.
This hair is soft. I recommend y'all buy it because it's affordable too. You know, I didn't do the best, but I didn't do the worst. Because at least it's still on.
I'll be up anyway, just about.
Go get the brush.
You said what, mommy? I was like,
Okay, so my mom cut the lace off in the back.
get your toy, Bella. Go play.
Don't use all those eyes making crazy face. Where do you want them? Are you making them part?
Mm-mm.
You're not?
Get the shower.
No, if so, I'm gonna need mascara.
I don't have none of that. Look at me.
You should do.
No, I gave it all to mommy.
Okay,
I
well,
only have two
somebody
and they're
has
about
to.
empty. I don't know how to do this.
Just pull some hair down and then we can cut it or something.
Can you
need
put
me to
some
put it? I was
ponytail?
just about to say.
Oh,
Yeah, I got those for Christmas.
I know.
What? Hair's super thick. Look like his mine.
Are you guys?
Hater.
Are you guys scared? I'm really, really scared.
Come on. Jackson University invites you to their official chat of interest. What is that?
The school?
I've never applied there.
I went there. You know what I'm trying to do?
Yes.
The razors. Hello?
Girl. Okay, we need to curl this because this is not.
No, once I put this.
No, they curl it with Where's the flat iron?
I don't know. Just let me try first.
No, move. You're supposed to curl it anyway.
Mari, that's too big to curl that little piece of hair.
No, it's not. Where are you going? Why you didn't throw that away? You saving it for later?
It's your hair.
You cut it.
Oh.
Where'd that piece go? Oh, right here. Oh no, I hope this is not fake hair. And I tried to flatten it. Maybe it's too high. But if it's human hair, it shouldn't matter. Ash, come on.